Welcome. Today we're diving into the Amazon Web Services, or AWS Big Data Ecosystem. This is an overview of scalable cloud-native data solutions. We will explore the core services and how they fit together to help you manage and analyze large volumes of data efficiently. First, we will start with the core services that form the foundation of the AWS Big Data Ecosystem. These services provide the fundamental building blocks for data storage, processing, and analysis. Amazon Simple Storage Service, known as S3, is the storage foundation for your big data projects on AWS. It offers scalable object storage. It is designed to store and protect any amount of data. Now let's explore some of the key features and storage classes of S3. Now let's explore some advanced features of S3. These features will help you optimize your data lake structure and manage the data lifecycle effectively. A well-structured data lake is essential for efficient data analytics and processing. Also, lifecycle policies help you automate the movement of your data to different storage tiers based on access patterns and compliance requirements. Amazon Elastic MapReduce, known as EMR, is a managed big data processing platform that allows you to run various open-source frameworks such as Hadoop, Spark, and Hive. It simplifies the process of setting up, managing, and scaling your big data processing workloads. It also enables you to focus on deriving insights from your data. Let's examine the architecture of an EMR cluster. EMR clusters consist of different types of nodes, each with a specific role in data processing and storage. Also, scaling strategies help you optimize the performance and cost of your EMR clusters. By understanding these components, you can design efficient and cost-effective EMR deployments. Amazon Redshift is a petabyte-scale data warehouse service designed for fast querying and analysis of large datasets. It is optimized for online analytical processing workloads, also known as OLAP, and provides powerful features for data warehousing and business intelligence. Let us delve into the architecture and benefits of Redshift. Let's see how to optimize the Redshift performance and how Redshift Spectrum can extend your data warehousing capabilities. Understanding these optimization techniques will help you achieve the best performance and cost efficiency for your Redshift workloads. AWS Glue is a serverless extract, transform, and load, known as ETL, service that simplifies the process of preparing and transforming data for analytics. It provides a data catalog for metadata management and ETL jobs for data transformation. It is a fully managed service. Now let's delve into the capabilities of Glue. In addition to the core services we have discussed, AWS offers a range of additional services for real-time processing, analytics, and visualization. These services complement the core offerings and enable you to build comprehensive big data solutions. Let's explore these services. When designing big data solutions on AWS, it's helpful to follow established architecture patterns that address common challenges and requirements. These patterns provide a blueprint for building scalable, reliable, and cost-effective big data pipelines. Now let's look at some common patterns in a typical architecture. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.